Shone.
Yeah.
Vele and then ayichika ina steering bafethu.
Man. Yazi into short go introduction yakho.
Yini shota remember manje.
Yeah ne. Shone. Vele ne. It's a happy new year.
It's a happy new year. Yes hayi umnyaka omutsha guys, umnyaka omutsha. I hope lonke ligene grand. Amna ngizingenele grand afatshe umnyaka omutsha kunjani?
Umnyaka omutsha ubulithi mdala ubulithi mbone yonke into. I've seen everything that I wanted to see.
Damn. Uthi vele bonandela mntwana.
Not even but antiyawazi ukuthi vele master of enjoyment.
Kanje ngiphethe umnikazi obunandi la.
Very enjoyment ibuzwa. But 2026 we are in guys and we are giving you the first ever episode of this and that in
2026 baba
26 nyawazi vele sikhumbulile guys vele ikhumbulile your favorite PIMP is back on the screens.
Yes Mr. Talent your boy no your man
you got it. You got it.
Aniyazi nami uKB Casanova ilocast leli bombe leqala abantwana makuvela yena kuhlanya abamnyama nama yellow bond bethi some delicious yes Sonica lama untshela ungene njani 2025 2025 2026
I closed off 2025 with a bang, you know.
Look, I need more details. Why is that?
I moved from club to club. I would tell you, bro.
So from Mhlaka 25 up to Mhlaka 1.
Mhlaka 25 ngabulawa ngama rice bed. Beetroot. Sure bese ngichema iphepho ba.
Tell but as mina to me check Christmas check yazi sokufana na it was on a Thursday. To me vele kwakuyi Thursday.
Nah, but it was lit, bro.
Yeah, it was lit.
Umama aphekanga ini.
No, mina you know like mina ngiyindoda leyana yabona ethanda ukuthi ilamakhaya phela thina silamakhaya ndo. Yabo.
Uke wa.
Ngathi vakashela emakhaya no ngadakisa umdala wami edakwe. Ambulala ngotshwala umdala.
Isono.
Sono cheka wayidaki umdala wami. Shout out to Mr. Moyo. Are you a very drunk mdala?
Shout out to Mr. Moyo.
Yes. Otherwise check ngomhla 31 where were you dog?
Mhla 31 I was everywhere. And you know mina ngangitshelile abantu last year ukuthi isitoko sikhona umalayicha balendile. So you know ama clients emaningi. So I had to deliver baba.
So kula imali phela. Ngene 26
hayi ngibenthatha
ngikumbile wallet dog
ndoda bebembulala amayenesi ndoda
mina dog mara ngutshela something yazi mhla 31 they called me to this other bash engathi event ye rockers
yenga
it was sorry guys there's a part
come on
rockers ona ngoNash I know uproducer wena okuthiwa ngoNash khona lapha koBulawayo wayelama artist amaningi abanye bethuna ikwayito abanye bethuna uMaskandi Sharatu omjikelwa but yesh alokhana kwakuyiblanda nje
kokuyiplant
angaze nge-MC ya-check i-event enjalo yes dog
lawo okunye uhluzwe ngevenue pata like
dog no like yabona mina njengami check yabona I like to do izinto for abantu abake bengisize lami yabona kwezinye indawo you know ngake ngaba lami ku music industry and stuff so ngake ngasebenza la nation stuff yabona lo muntu ababe high PA system yabo Nash yabona like abantu bakubulayo ingoma zabo ukuthi is nation or record umjikelo and stuff but that event check event antu ezophatha kwakule inye ngale ilokhuze nina ngibhoya khona ngale divided ngale kwakule inye ipendi ngapha kule inye performance and yathi kwabuya abantu abangayi less than 10 bro
MC
cabanga
la wavuka MC andaba 10
dog ngandakwe 3 ships andakwe 3 ships yabona 2025 uphele check shit
MC andaba 10
dog
brother was a family meeting yazi no ngene ngizotha besicela address umndeni yabo kwazi there are 5-6
sorry emergency rockers but lokhana kwakuyi shit guys
family members that was the
shit lambula le reputation
but wakhona phela MC ndoda wona vele wawusu ready ukuthi reputation yakho
ndoda ngayenza better ngayenza just for 30 minutes sahle saphuma sathi lamachiti.
That's not bad, Ndoda.
Yeah,
30 minutes is a long time. You're supposed to say, you know what, guys, I appreciate you calling me
Jane.
out to be your MC, but I think this is not the platform for
But
me.
anyways,
You know, you're just supposed to be quite professional and be straightforward.
Yeah,
you don't
bruh.
go, Ndoda, vele thina sizathi
ikhona lama resolutions this year.
simtshela ukuthi you MC la bantu
Ah, yeah,
abangu-10.
ndoda. At least phela mina I'm open yabona ngiyatshela abantu but ikhona lama resolutions dog. Angiphindi.
So what are your 2026 New Year's? Because yazi ukuthi ngiye problem that wala ama New Year's resolutions because ama resolutions angikhona ngaka January, February, back to your old ways.
My babo. Yeah,
Ama
but
resolutions ngaka
yeah,
January.
Karesa spend serious guys. Yabona nxa kuthiwa ulama resolutions, please let's stick to them. Ube professional lawe empilweni yakho lawe uzinikele yabona ama resolutions. First wena cheko ya remember what's your resolution? For 2026.
Guys, okay. My resolution. I've done a lot of things and I want to leave quite a few things behind.
Mm-hmm.
So, guys, 2026, your man is getting married. What's so funny about that, bro? I'm getting married.
Mana ngenze so. Guys, nxa lifollowa ama-episode wonke lawa liyakwazi ukuthi utalent pimp.
So pimps are not supposed to get married.
Umpepet.
Pimps, I'm getting married, guys. Shout out to my baby. I'm getting married.
Who like girlfriend on?
Bro, I have a fiance.
Hi, fiance.
I'm getting
Got talent. Congratulations to you.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm sure lesibindi kumbe sinye uhambo asithenge ebutcher but yes. But congratulations.
No, bro, I'm getting married, My life is so private. Njega Winky D.
Is cool, dog. Is cool, dog. He's getting married. Usechi ukuhambe emaklabhini. Usechi
ungangikhulumeli. I'm getting married. Why usufuna uku-eda all these other?
If you're getting married, bro, alright.
So if I'm getting married, which means semvalela umnyango wepower. Ndoda, we are dancing with married men in power every weekend. God wants stopping me.
So, right, I sweet. Dog, alright, okay. Mausiba married, dog. You know, so cut her out into out to Zienza when before Usiba committed to this kind of relationship.
I'm getting married. Full stop.
So how she do?
Stop asking me a lot of questions.
Bro.
I'm getting married. Guys, you should be happy for me. I'm getting married.
I'm happy for you, bro. But kodwa ngiyakutshela nikala man. Kumele phela kube lezi zinto sozikhatha off if you're getting married. So,
right.
Since kungama resolutions, yiziphi izinto sozikhatha off if you're getting married?
Guys, since you know what I was trying to grow in this industry and so forth, I'm not per se cutting them out. But I'm getting married, and then I'm just gonna be cool for a couple of months. While least I find an understanding with my wife. Just to try and explain to her, I'm not doing this, but this is what brings food on the table. And so forth. I need to make her understand those type of things.
Ukuthi nisihule iseslethi food on the table.
I'm holy. I'm holy mina.
Okay, ufuna understand isani.
Ukuthi being a pimp is what
ngesindebele isiwuhule yisesletha ifood on the table.
Angihuli mina.
Alright. Anyways, it's
angihuli
fine.
But iko kuletha ukudla etafuleni. And iko kunyenza ngathola imali yokulobola. So imagine manje sensithi.
Imhlolo kaJosephine lezwe
sensithi akusaphumi. But anyways, I'm gonna respect my wife if she tells me, I don't want this and I don't want that. But I told you, I've never dated a Blawayo girl, and I always put that line with me. I've never.
So okay, I know it's a private life, huh?
Yeah.
But in Konjali location uvelanga. Location akula muntu ongaba le ndaba location but uvelanga. If she's outside from Bulawayo.
Yeah, she's not from Bulawayo, but you know how much she does.
So it's not Bulawayo, it's Bulawayo.
Bulawayo.
It's
But
Bulawayo.
what yakwazi ukuthi the Bulawayo guys will start to say, uhambe wathatha ekhaya, so forth and so forth. You know?
Hayi no akulandawo le ndaba
So,
labantu.
yeah.
Lokho yi this and that baba asincenga
No,
silandaba
but
labantu.
I've got a status to protect, you know.
All right. So uvela ngapha enkaya? Uvela ngapha dog. I just the location.
No, I'm not gonna give you the location, guys.
Okay,
but
that's
just,
cool.
You
That's
know,
cool.
I'm gonna give you
but it's a nice-
off the camera. You're gonna know. But guys, just know what me now. I've drawn a line, and so zentathu nkazana ngobulawayo what. Mfazi wami usukela. Yeah, she's beautiful and yeah.
Nice. That's a good resolution for 2026.
Yeah, baby mawundlalela and ungamind ezinye izinto engizikhulumayo noba wazi ukuthi ngiyakuthanda.
Yeah.
Bambhalela iscript.
My babu, akula script is sent la. And anyways, doc, mina yazi yami resolution this year. Mfuthi utshwala. Life.
Ufutshiyani?
Utshwala.
No, ufuna ukuchiya kumbe ufuna ukuma.
Okay, yeah. Ngifuna ukuma utshwala.
Yeah, because ungathi ufuna ukuthi
Because it's only 3 days nganathi. So not 3 days. No.
So
Sisimhla ka1
so
anganathi.
72 hours.
No, Jack. Sisimhla ka1. No. Sisimhla ka1. Namhla kanje umhla kabani?
Yazi ukuthi ama resolutions onje uthi ufuna ukuchiya utshwala or
Hayi ngifuna ukuma. Let's rephrase that.
Okay,
Yeah,
ufuna ukuma utshwala.
Eh.
You know ama resolutions lawa lingabe wayenza malingela mali.
Hayi.
Yokuthenga utshwala. Siyacela. Yabona ndoda into ekuthiwa ufuna uyima ukwazi ukuthi lapho le mali esikhomeni.
Imali la ikhumbona le wallet yami esikhomeni.
Ethwele isithupha amakhadi
Yes. And a bit of cash.
Okay.
Yes.
But
So but utshwala
ngiyachima
ngiyachi.
utshwala because alila mali. I'm saying this to all the guys. La ndiyazazi.
Lingachi utshwala ngenxa ukuthi alila mali.
Lingachi utshwala ngenxa ukuthi alila mali, lingachi utshwala ngenxa ukuthi thina izolo silinathisile utshwala obuningi lavuka lebhabhalazi lathi alisabufuni. Guys, cela niyenze ama resolutions.
But seriously dog, mina senginathe kakhulu utshwala yabo. Senze ngifuna ukuthi ade ngaphosa ngaba lama shares adelt. Ngendlela enginatha ngakhona because abe nginatha dog. So ngifuna ukuthi ngene relax, you know.
I get it. Lami nginathi lami utshwala mbunathile.
Nginathile 2025 dog.
But mina mbuchi ngitshintsha indawo yokunathela. Ngitshintsha indawo yokunathela.
Alright. Guys, sicala ithumeze lana ama resolutions and
siyasizwe ukuthi lina what are you resolving this 2026? But ama resolutions othi lichiya utshwala sicela ningafaki because siyakwazi ukuthi ngaka January kuphela.
Yeah, you know dog. Yeah. And futhi ngabona dog kule into le etrenda ukuthi especially ngo-January kudliwa ukhabiji and stuff. When are you experiencing that?
Nah, bro, I wasn't spending in December. I was saving so that I can spend in January. You know,
dog.
Buzwa kimi.
My babu.
Buzwa kimi, guys.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
anyways, mina amakhabiji ngilawo. For laba abasala lama beer, we can trade in, you know, give me your black label coat, I'll give you a cabbage. Because I know what you're eating, because zip beer and now we are bored.
Khona kunjalo dog. Khona kunjalo, but anyways guys, asibeni lama resolutions ukuthi uyathi siyafika umnyaka phela abantu bakwazi ukuthi nxa kusiyafika lapha umhla ka 2029 wena uthe hey khathesi impilo yami ngifuna ukwenza so and you start to realize ukuthi hayi ubusinya.
Businya.
Awuhambanga ngendlela.
And yabona phosa lami talking about the festive season and so forth, you know. Afcon iqalile ngoDecember la.
Eish. Kanje.
And thina ama-faithfuls. You know, I'm even wearing a sports jersey.
J. Ale J phela nto yabona original.
Original, but anyway, ayifana le Warriors Pride. Ikithi
Yeah,
yaphuma 24
yeah.
hours
My
before.
babu. But guys, nguthi nje ama Warriors mina personally i-team yeZimbabwe actually liyana
i-team ezelo.
hayi so yezolonke liyana ibinge
No, guys. I-team liyana
ibinge Mpumalanga and then
mina nguMpumalanga phela ungakhohlwa.
Anlandaba.
Mpumalanga.
Anlandaba. Lena bekuyi team yenu. That's why idliwe. Guys, idliwe team liyana and kulabanye abathengisa igame and I know kuthiwa sule depression
and uma ukubona ukuthi abantu abathengisa igame anti ngabe entshonalanga
akuna ntshonalanga senti akuna ntshonalanga
abantu
senti
abathengisa igame amentshonalanga
how come uzubambe check ihands check ube ngukeeper phakathi kwe-18 area like what the f man
hayi ndoda ngabe entshonalanga but anyways you can if you watch the game uzabona abafana
ngayibukela check igame liyana
they
check
performed very well and honestly speaking guys some of us are football fans and we were quite hopeful ukuthi maybe this time around just maybe you know but then Zimbabwe is always Zimbabwe you know Zimbabwe is always Zimbabwe especially when it comes to sport ngaze kube icricket ngaze kube irugby
cricket iyazama check cricket
izama I'll tell you mina I think it was last year or last of last
I'll
tell you it was last year or last of last year Zimbabwe was playing for ICC World Cup qualifiers they won 3 games straight Skalisa and they just needed 1 win to qualify for World Cup from 2 games bro as long as it's sports in Zimbabwe
guys I shame lilizwe lethu actually lilizwe lena ngoba
lilizwe lethu ndoda you in it you include
yeah but ngikhona kodwa guys ayazi iZimbabwe guys I don't know what's happening what's going on
me I feel like it's
what's going on
I think it's administration I think personally I know what the coach was there was not doing the results were not speaking quite well but then I felt like he took them there he was supposed to finish task yake at AFCON
yeah mina I would appreciate ukuthi there were some other players who were outstanding abahlohla blind ama goals akhona they were so amazing
Prince Dube
exactly yabona shout out to Prince Dube indoda yabona Prince Dube yes ukuthi uthini Prince Dube
yazi indlela osupporta ngayo Prince Dube ngani nguyiZimbabwe yangu
no dog yabona what I'm trying to say dog yabona i-play yeZimbabwe yes i-defense it was so much even limit yakhona but yabona i-gameplay yes I'm sure abaka must that type of gameplay lokuthi all right how many complete passes do they complete Copa
no but it comes to the fact of who are you playing with
yeah
for
even
me,
if,
I'll tell you
okay yabona i-game against Egypt
they played a very good game no it was a matter of defending
yeah it was a matter of defending
they just switched off last minute but they played a very good game
dog nah
Angola was an even opponent they were supposed to bury
the second half dog
no there was
dog
you cannot play 50-50 football with Egypt. That's the number 3 ranked team in Africa. Wonu rankwe number 1.
Ndot.
Look at the quality of the players.
Baba.
Come on, bro. Zimbabwe is not a David. Zimbabwe is not a David. Zimbabwe cannot.
Remember lo khulume ngani uhlale elokuzenini manje ngani uhlale eBotswana something but it says Zimbabwe but anyways but guys Zimbabwe yeah that was very disappointing
and guys nyawazi ukuthi lizabuya vele siyakwazi liyasizonda and we don't care guys South African talked a lot South Africans khuluma kakhulu like South Africa is going to win they've qualified for the World Cup you know
South
they are the
African
favorites and then they just took the ABSA Premiership to AFCON come on guys and then you take Sundowns to AFCON
vele obvious kanti kuyafanana lana lithethe iScotland FC la ihambisa ku AFCON
how many players eScotland
wena vele all right into lithethe lokuzenini la ihambisa iMpumalanga la ihambisa ku AFCON
khatho Prince Dube bengekho Divine Lunga
ndoda bangaki bangaki
yokuqambela i-first 11 yonke half bekungiyintshonalanga
wena badlalile
abadlalanga nanyana uteenage walimala asidlisa uDivine Lunga wayedela egedini
akayedela ngegedini nje ibhora lelana nje it was a deflection
unankamba siyamnika i-hand try hando
alona nje yakabula depression sorry nje abula depression khona
but anyways it's a game of football
yeah it's a game of football
you win some you lose some but for Zimbabweans guys you lose all no ubusakhuluma Prince Dube
Oh,
Amadube.
and babe kufika amadube guys, I know kuyatrenda. Kufika amadube lapha koBulawayo guys, kufika ama-zebra. And mina phela zebras were here, guys, you know. Zebras were in Bulawayo, you know, they're roaming the streets of Bulawayo, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, amadube.
Usitshele thina amadube, that's a wild animal. You know abadala
But check, kodwa awunjele check. Amadube lawana check. Azisuke khona ngale, and the worst part of it, and mina ngokubona ebehamba ngethara dog. Ezisuke khona le hamba ngethara zozofika khona lapha e-town in the business center dog.
Mina I don't even know ukuthi avele nga.
Lama ngikwazi, but lina likwaziyo amadube la avele nga.
Please share guys.
Personally mina I think ngogogo babanye abantwana bona bami. Baselwe ilanga liphumile ndoda bengakafiki ku mission yabo ndoda, and then basha bathi hayi ngangcono sitshintshe lapha sibe ngama. Sorry bantu bakoDube nina bomvelase, kodwa labana bekungabogogo babanye abantwana.
I mean mina
Vele kharesi ngisamelela ukuthini khophana angapi batho athethwa ngapha amadube lawa.
I'm not sure which I chabalala game or what I try free to be wild.
Try yini?
You can check, but I'm not pretty sure.
Yeah, but shout out to kwabantu bakoBulawayo alizange liwajikijele ngamatshe phela lina ngiyalazi. Yes, yeah, lethanda watch live.
Dube phela isilwane esihle.
Isilwane.
Batho njalo mabezitema phela abantu bakoDube kanti mina ngithini?
Isilwane esihle.
Kanti mina ngithi
My babu.
Batho njalo mabezitema.
Litho njalo nina bakoDube asicalana ukulizwa.
Bathi isilwane esihle ndo.
Kanje
Cha sidla ngamabalaso.
My babu.
So khanya ngani safika sachama abantu bakoBulawayo.
Ayona izipho inhle ma chance amanga mabi yona inhle idube lihle madoda. Ngezwe abanye kuma comment sections kuma Facebook lapha nathiwa uyalibona iayi. Madoda like seriously.
So mawulo madube endlini hayi siqakezela izandla.
But seriously ndize libona madoda ama-aka amadube.
Mawulo madube endlini.
Uthi amadube bathwela nje.
Amadube.
Wakathakura more than 70 kgs.
Nothi kuthwala khona bahle amadube.
Yeah, and umfazi wami ngwakoDube.
Bahle siyalibongela abo madube, but hayi mina wami umfazi aswakoDube, but hawo amadube bahle.
Yeah, hayi thank you. Ngiyabonga ndiphinda che. Bahle libahle bantu bakoDube. Angazi kulabanye phela amadube abangama imitations, but original abakoDube libahle guys. Yes, and lithwele ngasemuva big nyash. Yes, njengamadube esiwabonileyo koBulawayo. And thank you bantu bakoBulawayo for ukuthi liwanakekelele kwaze kwafika abantu bakhona, and then they took them and put them to safety. But siyabonga kakhulu amadube, and then lena inhlanhla yakoBulawayo noma njani. I think ibhoso this time izawena. Kungena amadube so.
Mina for advice yami 2026 asekele usupport ibhoso.
Hayibo kungena amadube ibhoso ngenkani sinqaba ongafuniyo ngokwakha kayekele ibhoso yaphambili. And then futhi kutshintshe ucoach phela kwa Highlanders baletha ucoach weSouth Africa uboneni.
Yeah, vele ucoach abasuka nganga outside the border izabatshintsha Kayundu Zambia. Luthangu Lutrovic Croatia. Lo sukileyo la angazi ukusuka
Uphosa waziluma ulimi ntambane.
Vela likhulume lokho.
Yeah, but maybe check lakho maybe ngama resolutions abona.
So you feel like this South African tactician, as they say he is, because Chomlo kahle kahle akaza ka coach club ube coach ama under 21 ube ama under 19 egoli. I don't know. That's why I'm asking. Do you think the guy is
personally dog mina ngimana ngitshela iqiniso. I won't say personally ngibone ngani uzayenza something. Izinto sizibona ngama results yabo. Let's say kuzaba lama first games and stuff.
You know, CV yakho should speak for itself before you can hire someone.
Ndodala uelaborate CV yakhe kathesi uthe hey what.
So manje from CV yakhe, do you think he can bring the glory that was last seen 2006 to Emagumeni?
So ngathola ulujo lumnandi esihlahleni sombondo. So ngiyakutshela maybe yami so sengabuya la
dala siziqhweba izihlahla zona dala siziqhweba Emagumeni hayi uluja skaluthola
untshela kodwa hayi shout out to ibhoso madoda ngibona ngani kuzabuya izinto ezimnandi
and it all assistant
ngubani
man, this former Boso player I don't know, but ngike ngazi assistant yakhe former
Mina ukuthi angeke ngikhulume ngento engelayo ama-facts yabo.
Yeah, but mina ngike ngazibala news zangikhona ukuthi assist with this former Boso player. But mina I hope it
But
does.
anyways,
I hope it does better.
Amadube, it was a sign for iBoss ukuthi this year is yours, merchant. Trust me, this year is yours. Kwamanye ama-episodes azanti yabona ukuthi umnyaka lo muthi lizambuza, will reflect to this episode. Lithi uKP Casanova wakhuluma wathi,
So
this was a sign.
No, that's a good time for me to ask you.
Yes.
So you think Casalaga Premier Soccer League 2026 ithathwa iBoss?
Eish.
How?
I hope iyathathwa iBoss. I hope iyathathwa iBoss.
You're busy shouting good sign, good zebras, Boso.
I hope iyathathwa iBoss.
Are you saying ithathwa iBoss?
I hope iyathathwa iBoss.
Or you are saying out of faith?
Yes.
But in reality,
in reality, brass ngeke phela siphesive i-reality talk. Yabo, i-reality ndoda vele there is upper reality ndoda vele and this. Yabo into zakhona
first game 2026 Casalaga Premier Soccer League eBoso idlala le Chiefs. Mina ngizabe support Chiefs guys. Asositshela manga.
Yeah, it's
support the Chiefs.
Nabe ngihamba ngebhoso manje. Mina vele ibhoso ngenkana ijika ina steering.
But ngiyakuzwa ijika.
Anyways, you Amadube vele ade isayini yabo.
So tell me what are you willing to advise people this 2026? Because I know what you've been advising them a lot.
Ngihlala ngiba advise. All right guys. Yami iqala i-advice yoka 2026. Hawu madoda likekelane le Luvivi. Hayi sikhatheli. Hayi.
Like channel lo Samrio.
Ngifuna ukuvalela ibusiness Samrio but alike channel Luvivi madoda.
Phela masithi basafiye Luvivi which
ndoda angaka ngadlula ndoda laphana ndoda yazi so ndoda vele imoto ndoda kungadluleki ndoda kucwele yazi kungabantu yazi ndoda yazi abanye benuka amakhwapha hayi bantu
mina personally advice yakho le ngiyazama ukuthi ngibalekelane la because ngeke sichannel lo Samrio because masithi channel lo Samrio uthi sibe palace and the palace akwenzi
angishongo ukuthi hamba nepalace
uthi siye patapata nje usuku MC khona uthi siye patapata.
Hayi i-advice yami yasithi ukuthini guys lingabe lihamba ukuthi libe lisiya abuse ngamabhawu lawana madoda lana ko Samrio lana abuse madoda lawa. This is an advice for you. Nxa ulemali hamba endaweni lapho o-comfortable khona ozadakwa khona bunandi bani ukholise nothi ukuthi ubunukelwa ngumuntu. As long ule mali yakho lawe dinga indawo egrand visita lokhuzenini check ama sites check amaningi even if ufuna ukuzidlela ukudla kwakho ufuna ama lodges amnandi hamba kwaBulawayo City Guide uyezicheckela izinto ezintswempu not ukuthi ubulokhu usiyagijimela ko Samrio. This is my advice for you. This is my first advice.
Okay, awushaye ngesithuba.
Hayi ngifuna wena uqala ubashaye ngiyakho la ngilandela.
Mina guys advice engalitshela yona. Yekelana uBaby Mama. Chiyana nini nabo Baby Mama guys.
uBaby Mama wenze.
Hayi yibo phela abagcwele uVivi.
Yeah, but kodwa mana ngutshela. Yeah. Yazi nani I very acknowledge advice yakho.
Chiyana nini nabo
Baby Mama because there is abantu phela ukuthi yazi ba confuse. There is a difference between uBaby Mama le single mother. So ngicela ubachasisele khona lapho ukuthi why usithi bechana nabaBaby Mama.
Baby Mama guys, Baby Mama la uyambona umuntu uyazi uyathi ukhuluma lo muntu ekethi nomntwana. Umuntu ngawumntwana ngimshare ugogo wakhe. But ukishimeli istropez umntwana ngena like that doesn't sit well with me. I don't know lina ma chance no. Cheki hlala endlini khulisa umntwana.
Ukhulisa umntwana. Umntwana i-project guys.
Ukhulisa umntwana anti ngowakufunayo ukhulisa umntwana. No, honestly speaking guys, you know we always cry about how our generation is being fucked up and most of these 2Ks
Baby Mama
abangoBaby Mama abangikhona labafana abangoBaby Father kumbe no Baby Dad whatever you want to call them. Check from where they come from and because ngiyakutshela jeke abantwana labo bazalwe 2000s the parents just labo badlala the same into abayenza ka rest is the same thing that their parents are doing they were doing at that time. So if we don't fix ourselves as a generation, we're always gonna say, yeah, Generation Z, vela ikuze, Generation Danger. But at the fact, siyadlala siyadakwa siyenza konke guys. But we need to chill and finish.
All right. Talent. Can I provoke someone? This advice is strictly for you, DJ Slofi. Ungatsho umntwana endlini. Leso, ungatsho umntwana endlini. Usemaklabheni. Siyagijimisa ama-astropairs. Antu i-advice ka-talent le asimi. Mina nginikeze example.
Mina never said names, but mina
It's a perfect example, guys. Asilungiseni youth singachayinja sifihle umphini.
Mina personally I was hurt.
You were hurt?
I was hurt. There's this girl engimaziyo check.
Mina ngikhulumela ngichayinja mfihle umphini.
Mina I would never name names, but there's this girl that I know and her story is quite painful. But umntwana khona akazwele. Because we have this attitude yokuthi ama-2Ks, what. But mina personally, I know because you'll be like, who are you? Or you won't listen to us as choose a TV or this and that podcast. But the honest truth, guys, is the future that you are digging to the grave is yours.
Yeah, true.
You know, baby mama already usu somewhere there. You go to a club. I'm not saying what harm. But so figure, and then by the end of singafuna ukuba le body count yakho ka 2025, I think mini underfitting al10. And 2026 you want to do the same thing because of Isavana.
Yeah, I understand.
The brutal fruit.
Yeah.
Get a job, baby girl. Get a job, baby girl. Guys, take care of your child. You know, there's no peace yokuthi even ungazi tuyasebenza uzichayisela uhambele kwa suppliers uthenga 6-pack. Uyona endlini ngabe umntwana lechago lokwaneleyo lamaphampa.
Yes, true, guys.
Because I would tell you one thing, these boys ehlana laba eBhawa abali phone, they will never marry you.
Yes.
They will just want to have a good time. And then abanye benye vele bahle belighost the next morning.
Balamasiki futhi. Hi guys, please, asilungiseni intsha yethu.
But this is my advice because 2025 was so sad. What we saw on the streets. Anyways, I retire being a pimp because what I saw in the streets wasn't
shout out to talent.
No, honestly speaking, guys, 2026,
true,
let's fix each other.
Yeah.
You know, because
especially youth entsha, especially from guys lina bakubulawayo thina sikhalela lina, especially even labo bonke abantu, especially Zimbabwe, even wonke ama-2Ks abakwanisa ukuthi bebukele this kind of show. Please guys, lapha we're advocating for you guys. Asitshintsheni indlela esiyenzayo khona. Khumbula ukuthi lani lisazaba ngamadlozi. Cabanga uyaba lidlozi elinjani elithanda isavana. Guys, please. Cabanga dog. Please guys, asilungiseni intsha yethu saza ngabazali lathi sikhule. Imagine usiya ku meeting ugcwele guys. Guys, asilungiseni. Shout out to ngiyabonga advice yakho dog.
Yeah, guys, let's try and fix that.
Ngiyabonga advice yakho dog. It's a very good advice, guys. Lapha siyalungisa la.
And lani bo baby daddy guys and the guys abangakabi labantwana. It's not easy being a father.
Yeah.
Ngapha uthanda unathi ungela mali.
True.
Because abanye benselinathisa siyakwazi. It's not easy.
Uthi lichiyawa uthi wesisikolo sesiyavulwa so isikolo sesiyavulwa kumele libhadala ama fees guys.
And guys, 2026 is coming to an end.
2026 what?
It's coming to an end, bruh. 11 months to go.
Oh, well. Yeah, paid.
11 months to go.
All right. Mina checking my last advice. I was still waiting, dog. If you reflect to 2025, there were vast numbers of abantu ababezibophela, abantu ade becommit ama-suicide. Angazi ukuthi abanye bekuyi-depression kumbe abanye mostly mina ade ngiwabala ama-stories according to my research, abanye bekuyimjolo. Abanye beze bezibophele endlini ye-boyfriend or girlfriend.
Honestly speaking,
so guys, please.
You have raised something that I was... that's so important because when I was checking Lami ama-states ankhona, most people at bezibophela ngamadoda.
Yes, true.
Ngamadoda and siyakwazi bafazi ukuthi kumnandi phandle ngalo uyabe sebuyile utalent esihambela ngokuyi GD6 kwakhe lokuthi raptor kwakhe akuphiwe yilokhu zenini
yeah so
and then bese ngudlisa imali and then ubusukhohle ukuthi ulomuzi endlini. I mean, I'll
Yeah,
tell you, there's
true.
a guy. It hurts me because that guy was working so hard.
Yeah,
When he had
true.
money, why it nagigere indlu yakhe, nagigere even nabomamazala. But then when things
Cabanga,
went down the
dog.
trail, the girl cheated. The guy suicide and
Bomama liswelele please.
and you know guys mina
Liswelele.
zalitshela bomama
But,
obaba bazenza abaqinileyo bokafana bompumi laba cheatele mawufuna ukubona ukuthi akho sharp. So
yabona.
let's not cheat guys. Let's not cheat.
Ungasatsho khona lokho but amadoda and this is what you have to understand as a man. The only hole that you are going to enter alone is the grave.
True.
Yabo. So guys, ubani lakho khona lokho in your mind. And ukuthi the only hole that you are going to enter alone is your own grave. So ungaba lakho konkyana sozibe le depression. Yabo, especially nxa utheze lona olulenkume. Thina sabesigamulele ezizweni. Hayi siyabonga thina bomama. Hayi asikwazi ukuthi lizayenzani lani but hayi mina ukuzibophela ayikhohlwanini mina ngikhona la ku this and that. Yabela imbona khona la vela njika ila steering angizibopheli mina. So
before we say bye to our first episode of 2026,
yes.
It has been a good reflection, guys, of 2025. 2026, guys, we are opening the studio to you.
Size nenye.
So what we're going to be doing, guys, is we're gonna vote for our guest of the week. Mm-hmm. You don't need to be a celebrity, guys. You just need to follow Junza TV on all social media platforms and then apply. You know, just send a hi to Junza TV, message on TikTok, Instagram. You can just TikTok. You can just DM Junza TV and say, you know what, hi, I want to be part of the this and that next episode, and then we can just ask a few questions, and then if you win, guys, you win. And asivaleli muntu phandle.
Noma ungubani.
We have about 52 weeks a year.
Yeah.
So imagine, guys, 50-something people coming on studio every week.
Yeah. And another thing, guys, mina mana ngilitshele into emnandi sabe sifike emalokishini, you know, sabe sibuya khona lapho okumnandi khona,
coming to you komalaba khona,
sabe spraya. And guys, lingakhohlwa ijeki ayijika ina steering ilabelo ngeke ulithole ebheleni libe likhona sabe silithengisa ama t-shirts akhona a blind i-merchandise yonke yabe khona guys khona phana spraya sizinathela siku this and that podcast wonke amalokishi elobhengula bonjube wo chicken corner yonke indawo bo samre yonke indawo
but ungakayikachana mnikazi kamalaba mele akasizama so advertising encane simsha
mayibabo njako malaba mele sithole inyama yamahara share thelo bhengula madoda othi lo bhengula komalaba yeah so sabe sibuya guys good this and that podcast lani futhi eliyabe li applyile uyakwanisa ukuthi ubuye khophana ku interview
udlalathi nyama siyawazi January vele
so okwakho ukuthi ushare and guys ungayekela ukushare ulokulike lokusubscribe hayi semtase ekhaya
but if you are sharing, you're subscribing, you're liking, and if you're following Junza TV on all social media platforms, just DM a message and say hi, I'm Talent, I want to be on the this and that next podcast. Siyakubiza la studio merchandise yakugaya la uyazi
ungaphelelwa lidata uyabuya ku WhatsApp uyaphoma ku WhatsApp u078 kumbe inamba yena le
on your screen siyakwazi vele ukuthi plus ama data vele ukuthi TikTok ngale
yabe kulama numbers on your screen lapha lezabhuka kanti yabo
umpomo uzalifakela ama WhatsApp bundles
yes $1
yeah. Anyways, guys, this has been a lovely episode.
I want to buy a TikTok. But anyways, shout out to Cherry Bekasi. This was a nice episode. First episode, we got 2026, this and that podcast. Yes, Lilo Mfana when UKP Casanova.
It's your man, guys. It's T. It's T. We out.
Yeah, shout out to you. Till next time.